Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download and install Among Us on your PC. So it's pretty simple. So what you want to do is on your PC, you want to search for Epic Games on your browser. So search for Epic Games download. Once you search for Epic Games download, you need to click on download Epic Games launcher. Once you're in the downloading page, you need to download Epic Games launcher because you can only play Among Us on your device through Steam or through Epic Games. I find using Epic Games much simple, but if you want to use Steam, you can do that as well. Click on download Epic Games Launcher. Once you download and install Epic Games Launcher, log in into your Epic Games account. Once you log in into your Epic Games account, over here where it says search, click on it. Make sure you're on the store section, and over here on search, you want to write Among Us. Once you search for Among Us, it's going to show you the game Among Us. Click on Among Us over here. It's going to take you to the download page. Now remember, Among Us costs you money on PC. It's only free on mobile device. For PC, you need to pay $1.25 for Among Us. So once you search for Among Us, the game is going to be displayed over here. So let's wait for some time until it shows the game. Once it shows you the game, it's going to show you install. So in my case, it shows me library because I've already downloaded and played Among Us. But in your case, it's going to show you download or install or launch over here. So just click on it and it'll download. But before that, you need to pay at least $2 for this game. So I hope you understand how you guys can download Among Us on your PC. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.